You may have stopped making your federal student loan payments when your doctor told you that you couldn't work anymore, or when your budget just got too tight. When you stop making payments for over 270 days, you're in default. Being in default of your student loans is not like being in default in any other legal matters. There are completely different rules for Social Security garnishments and tax refund intercepts. Social Security benefits. Well, let's talk about those first. Let's start out with the good news. SSI, Social Security Supplemental benefits, are exempt from garnishment. The bad news is that all other Social Security benefits, Social Security disability benefits, Social Security retirement benefits, and even Part B of the Black Lung Act are fair game. In the first 8 months of 2012, some 115,000 Social Security recipients had their benefits garnished. If you owe on defaulted federal student loans, you're by law entitled to keep just $750 per month. That's $9,000 per year in Social Security benefits. The rest is fair game for recoupment by the federal government. Can you live off of $9,000 per year in Social Security benefits? Probably not. There are two fixes. The first is to request a hearing to demonstrate a financial hardship, but that's just a temporary fix because you have to ask for a hearing every 12 months while you're in default. What an emotional burden. And you must request the hearing within 15 days of receiving the notice of the upcoming garnishment. If you miss the deadline, you can still request a hearing, but the garnishment can begin and continue until there's a hearing and a decision. A common problem I see is that many people just don't keep their student loan servicers updated about their current address, so the notice goes to an old address, and they miss the 15-day window to request a pre-garnishment hearing. I see people whose Social Security benefits are garnished and they never saw a notice because it went to the old address. The second solution is the permanent fix that I offer, a total and permanent discharge based on your disability. Discharge means just that. Your federal student loan is gone. Tax refund intercepts. If your tax refund is intercepted, you'll just have 20 days to request a hearing or you'll lose your right to challenge the intercept. Worse yet, there just aren't many winning arguments to get the refund back when your refund goes towards what you owe on your federal student loan. Well, what happens if you file jointly with your spouse? A non-borrower spouse can get their portion of the refund back by filing an injured spouse claims form. But again, the permanent fix is a total and permanent discharge based on your disability. Discharge means that. Remember, your federal student loan's gone, and you get to keep any tax refund you get after your discharge. Total and permanent discharges. For those who qualify, the life-changing solution is a total and permanent discharge of your federal student loans. You won't be obligated to pay back your loans. Your Social Security benefits won't be garnished, forcing you into poverty. Your tax return will be yours to save or spend as you see fit. Best of all, you'll have peace of mind with a total and permanent discharge.